Umnyango wezamandla uthi kube nomchapho endabeni yentengo yembaseli zenyanga uNobayeni. Intengo yepetrol ikhuphuke nge-81 cent, bekufanele ikhuphuke nge-75 cent, njengombana bekumenyezelwe phambilini. Ngomvulo umnyango wezamandla umemezela ukhuphuka kwentengo yomhlobo wembaseli. Abachayeli babetheke kumbi khulu ngokukhuphuka kangaka kwembaseli, ngombana abantu abaningi baphelele emsebenzi njengombana i-COVID-19 isahlele. Abaningi angeze basakhona ukuhamba ngeenkoloyi zabo.
I'm not happy at all with the petrol price.
It's increasing each and every week. So nowadays, when I walk or use a bicycle.
Abosomnotho bathi ukhuphuka kakhulu kangaka kwe-oli nokubogaboga kweranda ngikho ekufanele kusolwe.
Puso ga e laole petrol price. Mo Afrika Borwa, petrol price e mafata mararo. Sa nka ke petrol price e leng gore e laolwa ke gore a ranta ya teka kgotsa demand ya oli ko godimo.
Ihlangano yezamabhizinisi ehlagwini Jingalanga ithi kuzokufanele kubuyekezwe umthetho wezomthelo.
Petrol has become a tax haven for the national government because of all the grants that we have to pay, because South Africa is becoming a welfare state and we cannot keep this up. We should get our people back to work.
Njengombana zikhuphuke kangaka imbaseli, kulindeleke bona kukhuphuke inthuthi kunye nokudla.